I see Simon and James are doing their weekly video. You can check it out on their YouTube channel. All right, check out the new Rivian R1T. This is an all-electric pickup truck. 830 horsepower, over 7,000 pounds, a lot of mechanical grip. It needs big tire because of the big weight. And here you can see one of the cameras. It's pretty cool as far as pickups go. Alright, check it out. This is the Ford F-150E, the new electric pickup truck from Ford. And there's this frunk. Oh wow, check it out. And I believe this is the power outlet. Look at that. Huh? You got USB chargers, you got 4 120 outlets here. Tie downs here. Additional storage. Wow, check it out. What else you got? Let's take a look around the new Ford F-150. It's big. All right, check out the interior there. This is the Platinum Edition. Yeah, there's that familiar iPad screen right in the center. All right.
I can't remember if it was 20, 35.
So I see more outlet. Look, there's a 240 outlet in there. So, and also an air compressor, so you can power various power tools. And yeah, that's a cool step-up ladder there that comes out of the tailgate. Yeah, so Rivian R1T or Ford F-150E, which one do you guys like? One of the coolest features of the new F-150 Lightning is this charger. If you buy a Ford Charger, it can charge the car, but in case of a blackout, the car will charge the house. So what happens is when you plug it in, when you plug into the Ford Charger, it charges the car, but it can also use the car's battery to power the house in case of a blackout. So if there's a blackout, this becomes a backup battery for your house. And because of the size of the battery in this thing, it can power an average house for almost 3 days on regular usage, and up to 10 days if you ration the power. So it's really, really cool. You don't have to worry about blackouts anymore. And here's another one and another one. So 3 Ford F-150 Lightning electric SUVs. So this one got the cloth interior. This one probably not the Platinum Edition here.
We're just hanging out in the front.
Yeah. Free donuts.
Yeah, we're brewing. He can take his shirt off and lay there.
Yeah. This is the new version of the tailgate party, but it's a front gate party. Yeah, cool. Check it out. This is a Porsche 911 reimagined by Gunther Works. It is a restore mod, carbon fiber wheels, body's been redone in carbon fiber, wide body, yeah, new seats, 6-speed manual transmission, new carbon dash, carbon wheels. Look at the carbon fiber work on the doors. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, you're looking at over $500,000 of mods right here.
Good day, nice to meet you.
Air cool engine, new exhaust, of course Montana plates. Yeah, so you're looking to totally modernize vintage 911 with the latest and greatest stuff, and you got $500,000 to spare. This is the ultimate right here. Okay, this is my pick for car of the week. It is a vintage Mercedes with an updated Rentec. I think there's a V12 in here. Wow, that's a V12. Yeah, so this owner stuffed the Rentec V12 modern Mercedes engine into an old Mercedes classic car. And he took up all the hood space. Wow, that's nuts. Check it out. Wow. Updated center console, reminiscence of the 90s Mercedes. Yeah.
It actually looks like it came out of the factory like that.
This was a 190 SL, but it's a totally modernized 190 SL. So this is a really nice restore mod right here. It looks like it's Ferrari day today. Wow, lots of Ferrari. Beginning with an F40. This is made to celebrate Ferrari's 40th anniversary. And yeah, this thing is a pure analog car. There is no power anything, no power steering, no power windows, no power nothing. Yeah. Check out the hand crank to open the windows. Gated shifter. There's the twin turbocharged motor. You can see the intercooler right on top. All the heat shield wrapping on the exhaust system. The glass is not glass, it's plastic. Yeah, and of course Montana plates. Yeah, what do you expect? One day I will explain why they registered the cars in Montana, but needless to say, even rich people like to save money. Ferrari F40. Right next to, well, the newest member of the Ferrari family. This is Ferrari F8 Tributo. So old meets new right here. F40. And then 20 years later. 992 GT3. Big crowd today, big crowd today. Here's a McLaren 720. $360, and here's a Testarossa that is for sale. So you wanna relive your Miami Vice day? There you go. Hey, look at that, the passive safety seat belt. So you get into the car, and this seat belt will automatically go up here and loop it around your neck. Yeah, the safety features back in the 80s were kind of, well, really cumbersome and invasive. Right, F430. Another F8 Tributo. This one has a black roof. Very nice. I kind of like that more than the all red roof. 458 Italia in black with tan leather interior. That looks quite nice too. Slammed to the ground Audi R8 V10. Wow, nice wheels on this Audi. Then the Ferrari 458. Italia Coupe, GT3, another F8 Tributo, basically the same as the last F8 Tributo, but this one has the GT seats, the Formula GT seats there in Alcantara. Very nice. Ferrari 360, 458 Italia. It is Ferrari day. Ferrari. And throw in the occasional NSX and then Ferrari yellow pista. Yeah. This pista is nice combination here with the black and yellow. Really nice. F430 Spider. Ferrari 488. Very, very colorful Huracan. Cool. and an Aston Martin V8 Vantage. Convertible. There you go, non-Ferraris now. AMG GT, Lamborghini STO, Huracan STO. This is black with a white stripe. Green Huracan, 570 McLaren, another AMG GT, 8 convertible, another STO. Wow. Yeah, this one just in all black, very nice with lots of carbon fiber accents right there. Yeah, carbon accents right there. Carbon. Very nice, and even carbon on the roof scoop there. .720 Spider in a nice red interior, all red. Wow. Seats, seats, dash, everything, all red. That's very nice. Another 720 coupe with a fake roof scoop. Yeah, this goes nowhere. It just goes in here and out there just for looks. That's definitely a form over function. And yeah, GT4, a coupe. This one's got the little high-rise wing in the back. You see, yeah, so he doubled it up to make it taller. And the last right at the end, a 488 in white and yellow stripe with yellow accents on the seats. Yeah, nice. Check out this Mercury.
That's a beauty.
Wow. Real wood. Bench seats in the front, bench seats in the back. Oh yeah, this is the one. You don't want to rear end anybody with this truck because, well, you'll be the bumper. Look at this thing. It may not have much of an engine, but it's got 4 air horns. So, you know, when it beeps, you're going to hear it. Nissan GTR, slam to the ground air rise, and a Liberty Walk body kit. Whoa. Crazy. Looks like a normal C7Z06, but the hood is open, and you can see here the owner replaced the stock supercharger with an L-Block supercharger. It's a much bigger unit, and he also added an AFC cold air intake. Very nice. Probably adds a good 100 plus horsepower to it. Check out the hot V turbo setup on this BMW M car. I mean, there is not an inch of space unused. Crazy. Now, if you want free space, there you go. Check out all the available space in this thing.
Yeah, no, there's some nice cars in there. Let's go. Well, that's a cool little...
This is a Corvette. It's a Corvette with a body kit. I believe it's a C4 Corvette. And what's it trying to be? Yeah, it's called a Volvette. Basically, it's a Volvo. But it's a C4 Corvette, and it's got a Volvo body. Cool. And it's for sale. Yeah, so give them a shout if you want a recreation of a Volvo based on a C4. Tiny. Man, that is one tiny Fiat. Yeah. This is the smallest car at Cars and Coffee. Yeah, an original Fiat 500. And for being such a tiny car, it actually sits 4 people.
That's the, you know, we were looking at those 500.
Yeah, I would feel extremely unsafe in this thing.
All right, I'll grab it.
What the hell? It's only a 3-cylinder. Why you need exhaust that big for? That's pretty loud just for idling. I can't imagine how loud it'll be if he gasses it. And this is South OC Cars and Coffee. It happens every Saturday from 9 to 11, and check out that exhaust on that thing. Anyway, yeah, you get all kinds of cars here. If you're into cars and you're in the area, you should definitely come check it out. JohnShop.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.